SS family, I hope you guys are all doing great. You guys are all welcome to my kitchen today. I would like to share with you a healthy overnight oat recipe. So for the ingredient, you need some dry oats, you need some strawberry, blueberry, banana. Those are the fruit that you're going to be using. You need also some honey, some chia seed. You need also some milk. You can either use milk or yogurt depending on you. And here I will use almond. I love almond, so you can choose any fruit of your choice. You also need a container with a lid. So what you need to do, you need to put your oats inside your tight container, and then you add some chia seed. For the quantity, it depends on you. So I'm only going to do for like 2 or 3 serving. And now I'll add my milk. You can either use normal milk or oat milk. And then I'll add some honey, original honey. And I'll mix. After mixing, this is what you have. And you have to cover it. Very nice. And there we go. Nice and cover. And this is all the fruit we are going to be using in the morning: the banana, the blueberry, the strawberry. And also it is very good, if you like cinnamon, to add a pinch of cinnamon when you're going to enjoy it. And there we go. We place it in the refrigerator, in the fridge, overnight. So this, we're keeping it. And then the next morning, this is what we have. We're going to open it together. This is what we have, and this is our overnight oats. And this is the texture. There we have slices, our banana. We have chopped also our almond. We have washed our strawberry and our blueberry. And now I'm going to show you 3 different serving. So the first one, I decide to use a blueberry that I wash with baking powder, and I will add a little bit of strawberry. So you have many options. You can either choose the fruit that you like for your topping. So the first one is actually done, and I will add a bit of banana. This is the one that actually has all the fruit that I normally like. For this one, I'm not going to add sugar because the day before I add a bit of honey. But if you like sugar, feel free to add a little bit of sugar or more honey for the sweetness. So we are done with the first one. And the second one, here we have only a blueberry and strawberry. The second one, we have the banana and some strawberry. And the third one, you mix everything depending on you: strawberry, blueberry, banana, and some almond. This is a very healthy overnight oat recipe. For those who doesn't like oats, I dare you to try this. You will really enjoy it. It is very healthy, and it's very light, and it will keep you full for the longest. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for the old one, for the new one. You guys are amazing. Continue to share my video. You can help 1 or 2 people. This is a good idea of a recipe that you can incorporate. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Love you. Bye bye.
Okay, fine, I'm gonna end it tonight. Something toxic holding on to me for dear life.